This is a recipe from one of my Amish cookbooks. For potato salad, you can use the same dressing as I used in my macaroni salad, but today I'm making it the old-fashioned way. This is a cooked dressing, and it's more deli style. I've made potato salad both ways over the years, but this is my favorite. I'm using about 3 pounds of russet potatoes, and you can use red potatoes. You can even leave the skin on, but today I peeled them and cut them into about 3/4 of an inch or bite-sized pieces. I placed them in cold water, and now I'm bringing them up to a boil and cooking them until they're fork tender. You still want a little bite to the potatoes because when you drain them, they will continue to cook a little until they cool. I'm draining the potatoes and not touching them until they completely cool to room temperature. While the potatoes are cooling, I'm going to make the dressing. I have my heat still off. In a saucepan, I'm adding in a couple eggs, sugar, cornstarch, and salt, giving that a good whisk. Now I'm adding in some apple cider vinegar, milk, and some dry mustard, giving that another whisk and turning my heat to a medium. I have an electric stove and I have it at 6. I'm bringing this up to a low boil while constantly stirring. The sauce will thicken, and this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. When the sauce coats a spoon, it is ready. Now I'm removing the pan from the heat and stirring in some butter. Cool the dressing to room temperature and refrigerate until cold. It's been about an hour and the dressing is cold. Now I'm adding in the mayonnaise and giving it a good stir. And this is the Amish potato salad dressing. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. My potatoes have completely cooled to room temperature. In a large bowl, I have the potatoes, and I'm adding in some finely diced onions, celery, about 4 large roughly chopped hard-boiled eggs, and some chopped dill pickles, or you could use some sweet dill relish. Adding a little salt, and then pouring over my dressing. I'm using a little of the dressing at a time. You can add the amount of dressing that you like. Some like their potato salad wet, and some like it dry. We like it somewhere in between. The potatoes and eggs will soak up the dressing as it chills in the refrigerator. Give everything a good gentle toss, and be careful not to break up too many of the potatoes. You want them to remain whole as much as possible. I have about 1/4 cup of the dressing left that I'm going to reserve. The potato salad is going into the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, and overnight is even better. This is the potato salad when chilled. You can see some is missing. It was hard to keep everyone away. This is the consistency that we like it, but you can add the additional dressing or even some extra mayonnaise if you like it creamier. This potato salad is a great cold side dish to any meal. Once you make it once or twice, you can adjust the amount of veggies that you like. You can even add in some carrots. Make it your own. Hope you give this Amish deli-style potato salad a try, and enjoy. I love pea salad. Nice textured sweet peas with a creamy herby dressing. A delicious cold salad that goes well with any sandwich or meal. Summertime is here, and time for those family and friend get-togethers. It's nice to have a quick, easy side dish recipe in your back pocket for those just-in-case moments. I have 2 1-pound bags of frozen peas that I'm rinsing, draining, and thawing on the counter. The extra moisture in the salad would make it runny. I also need some crispy crumbled bacon for this recipe. In the meantime, I'm making the sauce. In a bowl, I have 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, and I'm adding in 3/4 cups of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon each of kosher salt and white pepper. You can also use black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of dill weed, giving that a good stir, covering, and refrigerating until we're ready to assemble the pea salad. And it's pretty easy from here. I have my thawed peas I'm adding in a half a cup of crispy crumbled bacon, 6 ounces of finely cubed extra sharp cheddar cheese, and 3/4 of a cup of finely diced red onion. Pouring over my dressing and giving everything a good toss. You could also add in some ranch dressing if you wish. Covering and refrigerating for 2 hours before serving. This pea salad is so easy and it goes well with most anything. It is a party favorite. Serving today with a lunch meat sandwich. I hope you give this pea salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love. This Amish macaroni salad is so easy and a great side dish for any meal. Perfect for those summertime barbecues and get-togethers. For the dressing, I have about 2 cups of mayonnaise, mustard, salt, black pepper, sugar, vinegar, and I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you can use white vinegar, celery seed, and a little olive oil, giving that a good stir to combine. Amish macaroni salad can be quite sweet. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar because we don't like it too sweet, but you can adjust the taste to your liking. I have 1 pound of cooked macaroni. I cooked according to the package instructions, rinsed with cold water to stop the cooking, and drained. Another good pasta to use is corkscrew pasta. I'm adding in some finely diced onion, celery, and dill pickles, and you can use some sweet relish. This is 4 large, roughly chopped, hard-boiled eggs. This is really going to make this salad nice and extra creamy. Giving everything a good toss, adding in the dressing, and another good toss to get everything well mixed. Then I'm covering and refrigerating for a good couple hours before serving. The eggs and macaroni will soak up all that dressing and flavors. Depending on how creamy you like the macaroni salad, you can add more mayonnaise to adjust. I grew up on this Amish macaroni salad and I have made it my entire adult life. It has so many good memories and it is a definite staple at our house. This classic Amish macaroni salad is perfect for sandwiches, burgers, and hot dogs. If you want to make it a meal, you can add in some tuna or chicken right into the macaroni salad. I hope you give this Amish macaroni salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!